Let's get started. Today we will learn about some parts of a chicken. This is a rooster. A mature male chicken is called a rooster. This is a hen. A mature female chicken is called a hen. This is a broiler hen, a chicken primarily raised for its meat rather than laying eggs. This is a baby chicken. An immature rooster and hen is called a baby chicken. This is poussin. They are baby chickens which are less than 28 days old. Drumstick. This part is known as drumstick. It is mostly used for roasting. Wings. These parts are known as wings. They are mostly battered and fried. Thigh. This part is known as thigh. It is mostly used for roasting. Breast. This part is known as breast. It is mostly used in curries and stews. Chicken back. This part is known as chicken back. It's best for soups and stocks. Fillet. This part is known as fillet. It is mostly used in burgers and sandwiches. Mince. This is ground meat and it's called mince. It is used for meatballs and kebabs. Mixed diced chicken. This is mixed diced chicken. It is used in all types of recipes. Chicken leg. This part is known as chicken leg. It is mostly roasted and grilled. Whole chicken. It's used for baking and roasting and in curries as well. Quarter chicken. It is mostly used for roasting and frying. Half chicken. It's mostly used for roasting and grilling. Mid-joint wings. This part is known as mid-joint wings. It is commonly used for grilling and frying. Chicken lollipop. These are chicken lollipops. They are commonly used for appetizers and snacks. Wing tip. This part is known as wing tip. It's generally not used in any recipe, just for making stock. Baby chicken. A small sized chicken with or without skin. Chicken niblets. This is the mid part of the wings and is known as niblets. Chicken neck. This cut is called chicken neck. This is mainly used for making soup. These 5 are inner parts known as offal. This part is called heart. This part is called liver. This part is called gizzard. Chicken fat. This is the fat from the chicken. It is used for schmaltz. These are chicken feet. They are mostly used for soups and stocks. Thank you. Hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.